This herring has come up here 3 times now from the creek, and 2 times it's coming right up here to the house where we feed birds, and 2 times it has got a chipmunk. It's after something, I just don't know what. It's either a snake or a ground squirrel. It's got a little chipmunk.
What?
It's a chipmunk.
What's a chipmunk?
It's got it in its mouth.
Does it really?
It got it right here in the bushes.
Are you serious? He's stalking another little chipmunk. It's around the fire pit.
It's getting ready to get something again. It's got it. It yanked out another one. Another chipmunk. That's the second chipmunk it's got in the backyard. Amazing. Never seen a herring coming up this far. I don't see that one getting away. Right up here to the house, coming all the way from the creek, 150 feet away, and end up getting 2 chipmunks.